If your kitchen has a bad fresh air system, this is what's going to happen. Your chef is gonna be very hot when he's cooking. If your chef is very hot when he's cooking, he cannot focus on cooking the food. If he cannot focus on cooking the food, the finished product will be bad. If the dishes you cook is bad, then customer will not like your food. If your customer doesn't like your food, he will get angry and walk out the door. If your customer walk out the door, you will have no customers left. If you have no customer, you have no income. If you have no income, we don't want your restaurants to shut down. How can we fix this? Introducing INEO's newest fresh air AC system. This system includes both a fresh air system that is blowing out cold air generated by an AC. It has a system that includes an AC unit with a compressor that generates cold air and a very strong fan that puts the air all the way inside of the kitchen. This way, no matter where you are inside of the kitchen, during cooking, you can always enjoy cold air blowing towards your back. Please visit our website or contact us directly so we can help to put this system inside of your kitchen.